cheerful morning to my dear kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. This is your science class and I am your science teacher. In the previous class beta, we have done exercise of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources. So today is the turn of doing question answers. Right. Today we will do question answers of chapter 10, Save Natural Resources. So please be ready with your science book and science notebook and your pencil erasers. Come, let's begin the class. Dear kids, part G, answer the following questions. These are our questions which we are going to answer today. Now let's read first question. First question is, give the importance of soil. Yes beta, here we need to tell why soil is important for us. So soil is very important for us in many ways. We use soil to grow plants. Soil provides shelter to many insects and animals, and many things are made up of soil which we use in the construction of buildings, our houses, etc. So open your notebook, write question number 1 and we will write the answer. First of all, write down here today's date and here today's day. Then write down CW, classwork, chapter 10, Save Natural Resources, part G, answer the following questions. Then write down first question, give the importance of soil. So now let's write its answer. Importance of soil. Now we will write the importance of soil. First point is, yes, soil is a home to many animals like earthworm, snake, etc. Yes beta, many animals and insects lives in soil. For example, earthworm, snake, etc. So write down, soil is a home to many animals like earthworm, snake, etc. Now second point is, plants grow in soil and it provides minerals to the plants. Yes beta, plants grow in soil and what soil provides to plants? It provides minerals to the plants. So write down, plants grow in the soil and it provides minerals to the plants. Now beta, third point is, soil is used for making bricks. Yes beta, we use soil to make bricks and we use bricks in the construction of buildings. So third point we will write, soil is used for making, soil is used for making bricks that are used in the construction of buildings. as we use bricks in the construction of buildings. So beta, here we are done with answer number 1. Let's read question number 2 from the book. Question number 2 is beta, what are natural resources? Yes, tell me, what are natural resources? Right, the resources that we get from the nature are known as natural resources. For example, air, water, sunlight, plants, etc. So, let's write down the second question and answer in the notebook. Yes, beta, we have written second question. What are natural resources? Now, let's write the answer. The resources that we get from nature are known as natural resources. For example, air, water, plants, sunlight, etc. Now beta, read question number 3 from book. Yes beta, question number 3 is, what do you understand by fossil fuels? Yes beta, what do you understand by fossil fuels? Fossil fuels क्या होते हैं? So fossil fuels are the buried remains of dead plants and animals deep under the earth. Yes बेटा, जब dead और decaying plants और animals soil के अंदर, earth के अंदर डीप जाकर बरिड हो जाते हैं, सो बहुत टाइम के बाद वो फॉसिल फ्यूल्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट होते हैं. सो लेट्स राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड इट्स आंसर इन द नोटबुक. Yes beta, we have written question number 3. Now write down its answer. Fossil fuels are the buried remains of dead plants and animals deep under the earth. Right beta? Now read question number 4 from the book. Yes beta, question number 4 is define air pollution. Yes, what is air pollution beta? The addition of harmful substances. The addition of harmful substances in air. उन हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस का एडिशन होना बेटा एयर के अंदर जो हमें और दूसरे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को हार्म करें, जो उनके लिए हार्मफुल हों, दैट इज नोन एज एयर पॉल्यूशन. सो लेट्स राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड इट्स आंसर इन द नोटबुक. Yes beta, we have written question number 4. Now write down its answer. So what will be the answer? The addition of harmful substances in air that cause harm or discomfort that cause harm or discomfort to human beings and other organisms is called air pollution. Right? Now let's read question number 5 from the book. Question number 5 is name some fossil fuels. Here beta we just need to write name of some fossil fuels. So write down question number 5 and its answer in the notebook. So yes beta, tell me name of some fossil fuels. Can write coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG. These are some fossil fuels. Right beta? Kids, today we have done question answers of chapter 10 Save Natural Resources. So your homework is to complete the question answers in your notebook. Please take very good care of yourselves. Be safe, be at home. We will meet soon. Till then, goodbye.